Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make transparent taskbar like this in Windows 11 very easily. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to simply go to your search bar and simply search for Microsoft Store. So after coming to your Microsoft Store, you have to just simply open it. So after opening up, now you have to go to the search bar of your Microsoft Store. So after coming to the search bar, you have to just simply search for Translucent B. So here is the spelling, you guys can simply see it, and here is the application. You have to just simply tap on it to open up the application. Now what you have to do is you guys have to just simply install this application. So you have to just simply wait for a while and simply tap on get and install to install this application. I have already installed it, so I have to just simply open it. So whenever you have to open it, this here is the application. You have to just simply open it. So after opening it, you have to just simply sort out with some settings which are like a taskbar setting. So you have to make the taskbar to normal to cyclic. So after making your taskbar normal to cyclic, in this way you guys can just simply adjust your taskbar to visible. So for that you have to just simply go to this. So after installing it and opening it from here, it will be open to this menu. So here you have to just simply open it and just simply select this transparent TV application. Just simply tap on it. So after tapping on it, here are this kind of options here. Now you have to just simply tap on desktop and make it clear. So after tapping on clear, now you are good to go. Now you have to go back to again and simply go to visible window, and if you don't have to make it enable, so you have to make it clear. And I hope these are some of the settings you have to make it and simply make it clear. And in this way you guys can make your taskbar transparent. Now in order to see it, you guys can clearly see our taskbar is completely transparent. So you guys can in this way make your transparent taskbar very easily. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.